Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Hope you are well. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, faculty member of BBA, Hazigunj IT College of Education. Dear student, last 4 or 5 days before, a lot of number of students called me and they wanted to know from mine that how to prepare assignment, and actually for this I am best time to do something so that you will writing your assignment properly. Dear student, I know that we are faculty members of BBA gave you assignment specific topics. Example, our Sadi madam give you assignment, Saddam sir, Zulisum sir, and also I. And we are gave you assignment subject wise. And we also gave you the topics of assignment. Especially, I want to say my subject. My subject name is taxation in Bangladesh. I also gave you assignment. So today I will discuss how to you will prepare your assignment. At first, look at the whiteboard. It is the front page or first page of your assignment. In the first page, you will write at first name of the college, Hazigunj IT College of Education, then assignment on subject name. My subject name is taxation in Bangladesh. Then you will write topic. My topic was calculation of bed and it was math. So I write here math, problem 10 and problem 11. Submitted to Muhammad Saiful Islam, MBA, faculty member, BBA Department, Hazigunj IT College of Education. একটু বাংলায় বলি, এই জিনিসটা হচ্ছে তুমি তোমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা কার কাছে সাবমিট করবা, ওই শিক্ষকের নাম, ওই শিক্ষকের পদবি, এটা সাবমিটেড বাই তুমি, তো তোমরা যারা অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা জমা দিবা। সাপোজ আমি এখানটা নাম লিখছি কাউসার আহমেদ, বিবিএ সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টার, রোল 12, হাজিগুঞ্জ আইডিয়াল কলেজ অফ এডুকেশন। And at last you will write date of submission. অর্থাৎ কোন তারিখে তুমি এই তোমার অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা তুমি আমাদের কাছে সাবমিশন করবে। তো we know that your submission date is 30/12/2020 সর্বশেষ এটা। It is the front page of your assignment and you should remember it. Front page of assignment you will must prepare by computer, but others you will writing by hand. But front page, it is front page, you will must front page by the use of computer. At first, when you will write assignment, it is the front page. Here teacher name and here will be who are submitted. That is, here will be student name and here is date of submission. It is the front page. After front page, second phase, third phase, fourth phase, fifth phase, you will complete your assignment task which gave your course teacher. Dear student, assignment is a valuation process of your study. অর্থাৎ অ্যাসাইনমেন্ট হচ্ছে তুমি যে অধ্যয়ন করতেছ সেটার যাচাই করার বা মূল্যায়ন করার একটা প্রক্রিয়া। When you will prefer assignment, then it is the first place, and the topic here comes of math problem 10 and 11. অর্থাৎ my assignment is actually problem 10 and 11 calculation of math. So you will solution problem 10 and 11. Already in your messenger grid I gave you the problem 10 and 11 question. Actually you will solve the question. Dear student, when it is the front page and second page, third page, fourth page, which you needed or which page you needed, you will write in by normal ball pen. Usually we are use, but front page you will must write by computer compass, and in the inner page, especially which subject are theoretical, you will use some color pen for the purpose of beautiful your assignment. Some point, some headline you will mark by some different pen. Suppose black, green, white. White is not necessary. Green is maximum uses, but you will not use red color, because red color is marking color. Without red color you can use any other color, but green color is best. By the way, when you will writing your assignment, you will help some medium such as your textbook, such as YouTube or Facebook or any journal. You can help from them, but you will remember that your assignment must be different from others, and you will try to best from others. Yes, I can agree that assignment will be same for mathematical subject, because mathematical subject assignment will be same, but theoretical item you will try from different from your friends, or you will try to best from your friends, because we will give you a marks on your assignment. But suppose assignment marks is 10, but everybody will not get 10 or everybody will not get 5. We will see your assignment, your writing style, your coloring style, and your decoration style. Measurement all of, then we will give you a number. But we will try to a best number give you. Dear student, so I think from this class you will get a benefit when you will prepare your assignment. If any inquiry or any question may become in your mind, then you will call me. My cell phone number is 01684857601. No more today, dear student. Best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.